everybody, welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I am so excited to be here. I'm so excited to start this channel. I was trying to start this channel ever since January of 2017, but I was so nervous that I dragged my feet for a little over 2.5 years. And long story short, I'm finally here. I stepped out of fear and I'm just here to do the will of God. I'm here to give God all the glory, from all the gifts and talents that He's placed inside me. So with that said, I am a hairstylist and a makeup artist. I love encouraging and empowering women. I love to inspire women to become more, to do more, to love more, just to totally build up women and to empower them and to, show them who they are in Christ. And if this channel can be an avenue to reach some women and even men, whoever clicks on this video, if this channel could be an avenue just to reach people and to spread the love of Christ, then that's what I'm here for. This is what this is all about. Again, yes, I am a hairstylist and a makeup artist. And I do want to let you know this as well. I am totally in love with Jesus. No, I'm not perfect, but I have a perfect God who loves me, and He loves you as well. And, I was just so nervous to do this intro. I'm literally walking in from, Bible study right now. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just sit down and let me, record this video. And so here I am. I don't know what more to say, but I just ask that you, would take this journey with me. I pray that you would get something from this, whether it's from hair, whether it's from makeup, whether it's from all the other things that I do on the side that you'll get to see soon through the word. Whatever word God gives me, I'm going to give it to you guys. But again, I'm just so grateful to be here. I'm excited, and I hope that you will be so blessed by it. So strap on your boots. Let's take this journey. Thank you so much for watching.